Hello everyone, welcome to episode 9 of Deshi Bites. Today we're going to make Jhal Muri, which is a dish that's made of puffed rice, chana mixture, red onions, cilantro, and some green chilies to give some spice. And it's then topped off with some mustard oil, which gives a rich and beautiful flavor. Before we start making our dish, let's go talk about the origins of our dish. And as always, I'll have the ingredients listed on my description below. Jhal Muri is a dish that originated in the Bengal region of India and originated in Bangladesh as well. It is a very famous Bengal street snack that is easy to make on the go, whether it's tea time or to go to work. Though there are many variations of this snack, I'll be making the famous Bengal style that is most commonly eaten in the Bengal region of India and Bangladesh. So let's start cooking. Hello everyone, welcome to episode 9 of Deshi Bites. Today I'm going to make Jhal Muri. So here are the ingredients I have today. I have mustard oil, I have some finely diced red onions, some cilantro, and some green chilies for some spice. I also have my half a cup of puffed rice and my chana mixture. Okay, first you want to start off by adding your half a cup of puffed rice into your bowl. Then you want to add your fourth cup of chana mixture. Then you want to add all your cilantro and onions and your red chilies into the mixture. Get everything there. So once you have everything here, you want to mix it together. You want to mix it really well so everything is incorporated well. So let me just incorporate that. And you see everything is mixed well together. As you can see, everything's evenly distributed. And you want to add a very little amount of mustard oil, which gives it a nice rich flavor. Just add a little bit. Just spread it around. Okay, that's enough. Now you're just going to mix that in so the mustard oil is evenly distributed all over. So you mix everything together and it's all mixed together and even. So here is our Jhal Muri mixture. As you can see, everything's distributed and it's done. And let's go try it. So, as you can tell, all the spices are distributed evenly, and it's a really nice, spicy, and rich flavor in general. So, thank you everyone for joining episode 9 of Deshi Bites. And I'll see you in episode 10 where we make more dishes.